Is your kitchen more chaotic than calm? A cluttered, disorganized kitchen can make cooking a stressful experience. Go through your drawers, cabinets, and shelves, and sort everything into 3 categories: keep, donate, or discard. Only hold on to the tools and gadgets you use most of the time. Divide your kitchen into areas dedicated to specific tasks: prepping, cooking, cleaning, and storage. Keep knives, cutting boards, and mixing bowls at arm's reach for your prep zone. Near the stove, house your spices, pots, and cooking utensils. Install hooks under cabinets for mugs or hang a pegboard to display your favorite pans. Use shelf risers to double your cabinet space, and add a magnetic strip for your knives. Transfer dry goods into clear, labeled containers, and arrange everything by category: grains, snacks, baking supplies. Place frequently used items at eye level and add a lazy Susan for easy access to condiments and spices. Drawer dividers are your new best friend. Dividers keep utensils, measuring spoons, and small gadgets perfectly in place, making meal prep a breeze. A high-quality chef's knife, a sturdy cutting board, and versatile pots and pans can handle most of your cooking needs, saving both space and money in the long run. Labeling is a game changer. Use labels on pantry jars, spice containers, and even fridge shelves. Use a rolling cart for additional counter and storage space that can be moved as needed. Rolling carts provide extra storage and prep space and can easily move around your kitchen. Keep trash out of sight with a pull-out trash can drawer. Pull-out trash cans are hidden inside cabinets, keeping your kitchen looking neat and tidy. This solution also helps contain odors and keeps the trash out of the way. Keep your cleaning products under the sink cabinet. Finally, remember to reevaluate and tidy up regularly. Setting aside time once a month for a quick kitchen refresh keeps everything running smoothly. With a well-organized kitchen, you'll save time, reduce stress, and truly enjoy the art of cooking.